Iceland Seafood is pleased to announce its figures for 2021 for the full year and for the fourth quarter. The year in its totality showed a profit before tax of 12.5 million euros, in contrast to 5.1 for the year 2020. We showed a good increase in top line. So total revenues were 449 million euros, an increase of 21% on prior year. All in all, Southern European value-added division had a stellar performance for 2021, and we had a record year in that division. Similarly, in sales and distribution division, we had a very, very strong year, primarily driven from Iceland. In contrast, the Northern European value-added division had some headwinds during the year, primarily driven by our UK operations, and driven in part by the combinations of the two companies we had there, Barraclough and Havelock, being combined, as well as starting a new operation in Grimsby, a new factory. We have high hopes that during this year, 2022, with Glenn Matthews and new management team, we will edge towards a better future and stronger future in that operation. Overall, we were experiencing during the year the effects and limitations due to the COVID-19 situation, which hopefully is now shortly behind us in some way. We are clearly still experiencing a lot of disruptions in the market, whether it is in the logistics part, or with respect to labor availability, etc. And that is something that we will see continue. And along with high raw material prices, packaging prices, etc., that is clearly putting some challenges and constraints on the business. Having said that, we are optimistic going forward. We have a strong position in the market. We have invested in our businesses, in our brands, whether it is consumer or business-to-business brands. We are increasing and strengthening our position in environmental, social, and governance matters. And going forward, we're seeing more investments in automation in all parts of our value-added processes. That is important because that keeps our competitiveness ahead of our competition. So that is key, and that is what we're striving for. That is what we are putting our money into. So all in all, the year 2021 was quite okay from a profitability perspective and from a corporate development perspective. I believe we did what had to be done in navigating turbulent waters, and all employees did a fantastic job. We are a strong company and stronger now than we were before. We have a strong balance sheet and ability to continue to grow and to support the operations we have in Europe. So all in all, for 2022, again, ESG matters, sustainability matters are very important to us and at the forefront of what we are working towards. Automation, as well as investments in our brands and our identity is key to maintaining our competitiveness going forward. So I want to express my gratitude to all employees for their contribution to Iceland Seafood, their loyalty to Iceland Seafood, and wishing us all well for a good and a prosperous year. Thank you very much.